If you're frustrated or disappointed with your current results, body, workouts, and diet, fret no more, because you're about to discover how to get a bikini body in 60 days. Want to wear your bikini with confidence? You need bikini body workouts. Losing fat and transforming your body couldn't be simpler or faster. Uncover an entirely new version of you. Never hide a single part of your body ever again, especially your midsection. Bikini body workouts gives you a better body that you'll be proud to show everyone. This program lets you break hearts and break rules, set the standard for fit, healthy, and happy. Redefine feminine, become strong and sexy, unleash the lethal lady inside of you. After all, you're not just a woman. You're a femme fatale of a female. Yes, you can get a bikini body and feel free. Wearing your bikini isn't just about feeling fit. It's about feeling free. Free from insecurities about your appearance weighing you down. Free to build a self-esteem that grows every time you see yourself. At Bikini Body Workouts, we know how much you want to have a more attractive and beautiful body. That's why this one-of-a-kind program was created, to make sure you don't waste a bit of your precious time or energy. It was carefully designed, over several years, to help you do what's best for your body every day. Know why most weight loss, fitness, and diet programs don't work. Because at the end of the day, beauty and a bikini-ready body don't come from calorie counts and cardio. It comes from living. With the Bikini Body Workout program, before you know it, you will find yourself leading a new lifestyle. A fit and fabulous lifestyle free of the burden of traditional fitness rules, and any insecurities. 9 problems, but a beach ain't one. So, are you ready to stop putting in hours at the gym with only mediocre or no results? Burn off that last layer of fat hiding your sleek midsection and toned legs. Save yourself countless, wasted hours on boring cardio machines. Overcome the overwhelming and paralyzing feeling of not knowing where to start because of so much conflicting advice out there. Look in the mirror and feel proud of the woman you see. The Bikini Body Workout program lets you achieve all of that, and much more. Why the Bikini Body System works. It's not your typical workout program. And it's not a diet. It gives you the most effective, comprehensive, and enjoyable transformation you can imagine. Whether you've never picked up a weight, or are a long-time fitness fanatic, you get everything you need to start making changes right now. No matter what level you are at, our time-tested, easy-to-follow system delivers astonishing results. Bikini Body Workouts let you eat your favorite foods, guilt-free. Instead of feeling hungry all the time, enjoy a workout that's fun and effective. Get a tone, firm, and lean physique, without losing your feminine shape, and much more. From the workouts to the nutrition plan, you will never second-guess your diet and exercise program ever again. So, rest easy knowing you are just weeks away from feeling proud as you strut that down the beach with your new bikini body. Start turning heads. You know her when you see her. She gives off a glowing energy that lights up the room. With a body to match her beauty, she carries herself with a confidence. She represents strength and self-esteem. And with our proven training and cutting-edge nutrition program, you will be that woman in only a matter of weeks. How can you do it? If you're interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. You can have a beautiful, head-turning bikini body if you ditch starvation diets, say goodbye to the Stairmaster, abandon boring workouts, dive headfirst into the Bikini Body Workouts. Use bikini bodies, far more time-efficient techniques created specifically for women. Adopt bikini bodies, fat blasting circuits. Nourish your body with the wholesome foods and healthy indulgences in our nutrition guide. Let's be real. A sexy, lean body is the new skinny. Gone are the days of toothpick arms and stick-thin thighs. Gone are the days of being soft or skinny fat. You want to look sexy. You want to be lean and mean with a feminine flair that keeps you feeling like a lady. And that's what bikini body workouts give you. This new, revolutionary workout system flies in the face of conventional wisdom and outdated fitness methods. In fact, bikini body workouts give you better results than any other fitness system. What do you get with the bikini body system? Everything you need to achieve a mind-blowing transformation. Simply. Quickly. With no guesswork. Bikini body online instructional exercise videos ready for a major fat burn that melts away 3 times the fat in only 1/3 the time. Incinerate that unwanted fat and extra pooch in minimal time. Without trudging your life away on the treadmill. Plus Jen Ferriger, the woman behind the bikini body workouts, provides you expert instruction in each video. So, you'll know how to perfectly perform each exercise for maximum results. Bikini Body Workout Guide. Get a bikini body without the guesswork. This step-by-step workout guide lays out every exercise, set, rep, and rest period. Bikini Body Nutrition Guide. Enjoy healthy, delicious foods. Avoid calorie counting. Burn fat all day long. And watch the pounds drop off with this simple nutrition guide. Now, knowing what to eat and when is easy. Bikini Body Supplement List. Get the inside scoop on the actual supplements that make a huge difference in how you look and feel. And say goodbye to wasting another dollar on ineffective and useless supplements. Bikini Body Comprehensive Shopping List. Make the best choices every time you go shopping. Stock up on wholesome, nutritious foods. This list helps you make the most out of every trip to the grocery store. Bikini Body 21-Day Booty Blast. Make sure your butt looks as good as your chiseled stomach. This special program gives you 10-minute workouts for glorious glutes. If you're interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.